Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you top tricks for your headphones JBL Tune 510. And the first one, that when you listen to music or watching a movie, you don't need to use your phone. You can use a controls at your right ear cup. And right here we have multifunctional button, we have volume up button what have a plus icon, we have volume down button what have a minus icon. And you can play or pause the song by press one time at the multifunctional button. You can call voice assistant by press and hold, by press two times at the multifunctional button. Next, you can increase the volume but press one time at the volume up button, or you can play next track by press and hold at the volume up button. If you press one time at the volume down button, you will lower the volume, and if you press and hold on it, you will play previous track. Next, this headphone support dual connection, so you can easily connect two devices with your headphones simultaneously. If you don't know how, at this channel we have a video about it, so you can find it. Next, if you have some trouble with your headphones, you can easily fix it by perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, firstly you need to turn off your headphones by press and hold power button. Then you press and hold power button again to enter prank mode, and this LED light should flash blue. And after that you press and hold at the same time volume up and volume down button. And we have a video at this channel how to do this, so if you don't know how, you can check it. And the last one, that I tested microphone at these headphones, and for this price this microphone is really good. I hear myself clearly, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!